if you're feeling like you're stuck, like you are lost in your YouTube journey, you don't know what to do anymore, like you feel less motivated to continue with your journey, this video is for you. You should watch this video to the end. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys why I started my YouTube content creation journey and why I would not quit no matter what, comes my way. I'm not going to stop the journey. So late last year, I'm going to tell you guys a little story about how I started my content creation journey. And late last year, I was just lying down on my bed. I've watched tons and tons of YouTube video on how to start a YouTube channel and how how YouTube has changed so many people's life. Even my favorites, DoDash, I watched her video. I watched tons of those videos, and I was just lying down on my bed. I was like, why not? Why not give it a try? Why not? At first, I was fired up. Like, I had this energy. I want to start. I want to begin. I want to start recording. I want to start posting. But then, this self-doubt gradually started creeping in. I started questioning myself. I started asking myself, what if nobody watches? What if this is not even for me? Like, coming from somebody that I've been a shy person like you, I am a very shy person right from childhood. Like, putting myself out there, especially on social media, is like the hardest thing for me to do. I had a lot of doubt, self-doubt, questioning, what if I can't do this? What if this? What if that? What if I fail? What if nobody watch? What if I not even blow? A lot of what if were just there in my head, in my mind. But one thing just came to my head. One thing just came to my mind, that what if I could inspire just one person with my story, with my journey? What if I could inspire one person with my story? And that was just what changed the whole game for me. I picked up my phone, I made my first video, and guess what? It did not go viral. Nobody watched it. Like, that video, I don't think that video got up to 100 views. But guess what? I kept posting, and they were not still getting views, but I kept posting. Because I know that Rome is not built in one day. Even all of our popular YouTuber content creators, they all started, they have their day one. Like, they literally have their day one. So I'm not expecting myself to blow up in just one day. That is what I have in my mind. And another thing is that I know why I started. I know my reason for starting this journey. I know that one day my story is going to inspire somebody. My journey is going to inspire somebody, and that is what I hope for. And that is why I would not stop, no matter what, no matter how hard it gets. Though we are going to have a hard time, yes, everything, there's nothing you venture into today that does not have the hard side. The most important thing is for you to keep going, even during the hard time. And that is what I will continue to do. No matter what, I'm going to keep posting. The reason why I'm telling you this story is because if you are out there and you're feeling like you're stuck, you don't know what to do anymore, your videos are not, you're not getting the views that you want to, or you've already started, or you've not even started, and you have a lot of thoughts, you're overthinking the whole issue, you don't even know how to start, you don't even know if you should start. My question for you is, what is your reason for starting? What is your reason? What is the reason behind you starting? If you know your reason, if you know your why, that will keep you going, even the hard time, even when YouTube is flopping your videos, even when you are not getting any attention. That will keep you going. And that is why I am still posting up till now, even when my videos are not getting the attention they needed. But I know that there is a possibility. As far as I keep showing up, there is still a possibility for me. So if you are overthinking it, if you are feeling stuck, I this is just my word for you. Just keep posting, keep doing what you're doing. Don't even overthink it. You know, one thing with us is that we want to figure out everything, especially when you're starting out. You want to figure out every damn thing. You want to figure out how you're going to edit, how you're going to do this, how you're going to do it before you start. And most of the time we ended up not doing it again because we want to figure it out, and figuring it out will not be like is overwhelming. Yes, it is overwhelming. It's not like it will not be like it is overwhelming, especially when you want to figure out everything. You want to make sure that your first video is like the most perfect video on YouTube. You want to make sure that it goes viral. You start overthinking everything. If care is not taken, you might not even start. Or if you already started, you are trying to figure out how your next video is going to blast everywhere, how your next video is going to blow up everywhere. Yes, it's good to structure your videos well, think about the next move that you want to make, but when you overthink it, that is the problem. Sometimes the video you make just talking like that, you don't even stress making it, is the video that will get attention for you. Why the one you prepare so much, you spend, some people even went ahead spending money creating videos, and at the end no views. They don't even make anything from that video. So just start and don't overthink it, and remember your why as you go, because your why is going to keep you going. Your why is going to keep you going, even those times that YouTube is hard, those times that you're not getting views. Your why is going to be what will keep you going. So guys, if you watched to this end, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, leave a comment, just show the video a support, just do anything that will support this video. So I'll see you guys in my next video. I know I've not been posting like regularly. I've been so busy with my job and everything going on in my life, but I'll make sure that I'll be consistent more, because I know I've not been really consistent, especially on YouTube. I'm trying to be in other platforms, but YouTube is giving me like a hard moment, but I'm not going to back down, and that is what I also shared with you guys in this video. So do well to subscribe, like, and leave a comment in the comment section. I'll see you guys in my next video. Before you click out, if you're not joining my membership, what are you waiting for? You are missing out on exclusive content. So do well to join my membership today. Just click the join button in my channel to join. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.